I wish I had known this trick earlier. It helped me save a lot of money in retirement. Rinse the container from the gel beads thoroughly. Pour half a cup of salt into the prepared container, preferably coarse salt. The salt helps absorb odors and gradually release them into the air. Then add some scent beads used for laundry. Also, pour in a small amount of your favorite fragrance liquid. Even the cheapest one will do. It's what gives the whole mixture a strong and pleasant aroma. Now mix everything well, so the ingredients combine and start working together. Close the container with a lid that has small holes. Take this diffuser with you to the car. Place it in the cup holder. Thanks to the small holes, the scent will slowly release and spread evenly. After a moment, you'll notice a pleasant fragrance filling the entire interior of the car. With this simple method, your car will smell fresh, pleasant, and natural every day. Just the way you like it. Stop buying chemicals in stores. This way, you can get rid of mosquitoes in seconds. All you need is a simple glass container and some water. Then, add 2 solid tablespoons of coffee. Coffee has insect-repelling properties due to its strong scent, which effectively discourages mosquitoes. The next ingredient is cloves. Known for their strong antibacterial properties, they also repel mosquitoes. Add a handful of cloves to the mixture. Then, pour in a little olive oil, which helps retain the scent for longer. The olive oil also creates a thin layer that prevents the mixture from drying out. Now, prepare a wax wick for candles and place it on top of the mixture. Your mosquito candle is ready. Place it in the garden or on the terrace, light it, and you'll quickly get rid of mosquitoes. Thanks to the combination of coffee, cloves, and olive oil, the candle emits a strong scent that effectively repels mosquitoes. The warm smoke from the wick creates a protective barrier that insects avoid. You can also place it in the living room or bedroom, and its scent works as a natural repellent, creating a pleasant atmosphere while keeping mosquitoes at bay. Not a single mosquito will appear in the room. This is the strongest mosquito repellent, and you can make it in just 2 minutes. Here's a simple and effective way to get rid of them for good. You only need 3 ingredients, and you probably already have them at home. First, grab a bowl or a pitcher. Pour in 200 milliliters, about 3/4 cup, of apple cider vinegar, and then 200 milliliters of water. Now add a few sprigs of lavender. If you don't have fresh lavender, lavender essential oil works too. The scent repels flies, mosquitoes, and ticks. Mix everything well. Let the mixture sit for a few hours so the ingredients blend fully. Then strain it through a sieve and pour it into a spray bottle. Spray it around window frames in your home. If you have a balcony door, spray that too. For even better results, mist your curtains or drapes as well. I guarantee, this summer you can forget all about buzzing insects flying around your ears. Your home will smell beautiful, and you'll also get rid of an unpleasant problem. Take an orange and cut off the end so it stands securely on a flat surface. Now, cut it in half, making sure both parts are even in height. The orange not only smells great, but also contains natural essential oils with incredible properties. Create a hole in the middle of the orange pulp. Place a candle inside and make sure it stands securely. Now, take cloves and evenly stick them around the orange, creating a decorative pattern. Cloves contain eugenol, which has aromatherapeutic properties. Prepare 4 larger toothpicks and stick them into the bottom half of the orange, forming a square. Take the other half of the orange and carefully place it on the toothpicks, creating a lid above the candle. Light the candle and you're done. The warmth from the candle releases the intense aroma of the orange and cloves, which will help you get rid of mosquitoes and other insects. Enjoy an evening outdoors without any bugs. Try it and see the effect for yourself. Buy it at the pharmacy and apply it to window and door frames. You'll get rid of mosquitoes in your home without using strong chemicals. Simply apply this ointment to the window frames, and no annoying insects will enter your home. This ointment contains ingredients like menthol, eucalyptus, and camphor. They repel mosquitoes with their strong scent. It's a natural solution that not only protects your interiors, but also doesn't harm the environment. The best part is that the scent of this ointment is pleasant to humans. so you can enjoy a comfortable atmosphere in your home while getting rid of pesky insects. Avoid using toxic sprays and chemical products that can harm your health and the environment. Instead, use VapoRub and enjoy peaceful evenings without troublesome mosquitoes. The scent of VapoRub lasts a long time, so just apply it to windows or windowsills every now and then to keep mosquitoes from entering your home. Wlej olejek lawendowy do mokrych chusteczek, a już nigdy nie wrócisz do innego sposobu. Dobrze wymieszaj, aby każda chusteczka była pełna aromatu. Otwórz, wyciągnij chusteczkę i przetrzyj ciało. Lawenda działa jak naturalna ochrona przed owadami. Prostym trikiem skutecznie odpędzisz komary, pchły i muchy. You need to try this if you want to get rid of a persistent problem. Start with a larger flower pot. Apply glue to the bottom and stick it to a saucer to keep everything stable. Then take 2 smaller pots. Glue one upside down inside the large pot, using the rim, and attach the second one on top of it, this time with the bottom facing down. Fill the space around them with decorative stones. They'll keep everything in place and add a nice visual touch. Into the center pot, add a few tablespoons of ground coffee. Its rich aroma is energizing for people, but repels some unwanted visitors. Now it's citrus time. Slice a lemon and a lime into thick rounds and layer them on the stones. Their sharp, fresh scent purifies the air and stimulates the senses. Add a few fresh mint leaves for a cooling and refreshing effect. Add a few drops of lavender essential oil, known for its relaxing properties and strong scent that comes with extra benefits. Pour in a little lighter fluid and finally, light the coffee mixture with the oil. The slow-burning smoke keeps mosquitoes away from your balcony or patio. It's a simple, natural way to enjoy summer evenings without annoying insects. Give this trick a try. Sprinkle cinnamon on a paper towel. You should definitely try this. The benefits will be unlike anything you've experienced before. Here's how it works. Tear off a piece of paper towel and sprinkle a tablespoon of cinnamon on it. Cinnamon has strong antibacterial properties, repels pests, and gives off a pleasant, warm scent. The next ingredient is a bay leaf. Just one is enough. Bay leaves have antifungal properties, improve air quality, and effectively repel pests. Crush the leaf onto the paper. This natural method was taught to me by my aunt from the countryside. Roll the paper up, just like in the video. This form is perfect for further use. Now add a little bit of toothpaste. The toothpaste has a refreshing effect, and its scent also repels pests. Place the rolled-up paper in a jar or another container, light the end of it, and after a moment, extinguish the flame. Place the container near a window, door, or next to plants that are vulnerable to pests. The smoke from the mixture repels mosquitoes, flies, and other unwanted insects, while leaving a lovely, fresh scent in the house. This is a completely natural, safe, and highly effective method. Pour oil over coffee. A friend shared this recipe with me, and the results are truly surprising. Take a large container and add 3 teaspoons of ground coffee. It has amazing properties you probably didn't know about. Pour in 500 milliliters of water and mix well. Pour the mixture into a deep plate. Now, pour a thin layer of oil over the surface so that it floats above the coffee mixture. Take a regular bottle cap. You probably didn't know it has another use. Use a soldering iron to make a hole in the center of the cap. Quick and easy. Take a piece of string and make a loop in the middle. Thread one end of the string through the hole in the cap. Then place the cap in the center of the deep dish. Finally, light the other end of the string. Done. Your homemade lantern will repel mosquitoes and make summer evenings much more pleasant. Try this trick and enjoy peaceful nights.